Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely chocolate crispy. Really nice and beautiful, very easy and simple. Kids do like this kind of recipe. Hopefully you will enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. But before we go any further, I want to introduce you and show you how you can melt your chocolate at home. Be careful, health and safety. Be careful. So now we're going to show you how to melt your chocolate at home. Enjoy it. So basically the first thing we should need to do is to put on a medium-sized pot on the stove with some water inside of it. Make sure you get a pan like this one, which can cover the pot which you're going to be using. As you can see exactly what I'm doing right here. Then next thing what we're going to do is put a teaspoon of butter inside of the pan like that. And then we're going to get a few pieces of chocolate, put in it just like that with the butter. As you can see, I'm not doing a lot, so I put a few pieces of chocolate. And then after you put in your chocolate, simple, leave this to melt for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. And so as you can see, it is melting. Also, we're going to put a teaspoon of sweet condensed milk inside of it like that. So we're going to allow that for it to melt for another good few more minutes. Nice and lovely. So the chocolate is melt now. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to turn off the stove and we're going to mix up the Rice Krispies with it. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. So right here is the Rice Krispies, and we're going to make you a nice lovely chocolate Rice Krispies. So basically what you're going to do when you melt the chocolate, what you need to do is simple. Spread it straight inside of the Rice Krispies like this. As you can see. And simple. Just mix it up like this. To be honest, kids love these kind of things, so I know your kids at home will love it. You can give them to bring to school or so. Nice lovely chocolate crispy. The next thing after you do that, right here I have a cupcake tray with some cupcake pastry right here inside of it. So basically what we're gonna do is to fill them up like this. And lovely. So as you can see, I do 3, 6, 9 of them, and they come out really well. So as you can see, all you need to do is just put it down for roughly about 30 minutes or 20 minutes for it to just chill, cool, and then you can serve it to the kids them with a nice lovely cup of water. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We've got a lot more recipes like this coming up for you. See you next time. Bye bye.